Hey guys, I want to share with you one of the scariest things that can happen to you from the IRS. I had a client to contact me, and she wasn't a client at first. What she did, she contacted me, she called me, she heard me on the radio, and she immediately called me. And when she called, she was crying. She said, "I'm sorry, is this Jean Davis?" And I was like, "Yes, it is." And she said, "Okay, I got some tax issues." She said, "Let me pull it together. Let me pull it together." I said, "Okay." And I said, "Are you okay?" She said, "Look." She said, "I heard you on the radio. You could have came at a better time." She said, "Listen, the IRS has contacted my job. They're getting ready to garnish wages. They're looking at taking money out of my account. They already done sent me a letter talking about they're going to put liens. They have contacted my husband's job as well." She said, "I just don't know what to do. I got children in school. We just bought a house. We got all this stuff going on." And she said, "I just don't know what to do. I'm so scared." And she said, "I know something got to be done. And I heard you're an ex-IRS auditor. So please, please, please help me." And this is what gives me joy about what it is that I do. For those who don't know me, I am Jean Marlo Davis. I am a wealth creator. I'm also an ex-IRS auditor, that's a tax and financial strategist. Let me get that fixed right there for you. Yes. So listen, I went ahead and I told her, I said, "No worries. Don't worry about it." I said, "Let's get this information. I need you to fill out the power of attorney form. It's the 2848. I had her to fill that form out. She faxed it over to me, got all her personal information. I immediately got on the phone with the IRS, faxed over the 2848 to them, and immediately told them that I'm here to settle my client's debt. And let me just tell you, when I got off that phone, they freezed all actions. They freeze, you hear me? They freeze all actions. And her husband and her, they did not have to worry about the IRS going into their account. They didn't have to worry about the IRS taking money out of the bank, or, taking money from their checking account, or, which is the bank, or taking money from their job. All because they made one phone call, all because she heard me on the radio program and she called immediately. So let me just tell you, if you are getting threatening phone calls, emails, things of that nature. Now, I used to tell people that the IRS does not call, but guys, let me tell you something. The IRS has hired 4 collection agencies, and I'll do a video about that a little bit later. But they have hired 4 collection agencies to collect, and basically they do route you to irs.gov/pay. But they are calling about debt now, and the IRS had all told us before they would never have anybody calling, but now they are. So listen. If you get a phone call and you're scared, if they're a scam or whatever, if you get a letter from the IRS and you're scared because you're like, "I don't know what to say, I don't want to say the wrong thing." If you're getting threatening letters, your HR department are contacting you and saying, "Hey, look, we got to fill this form out because the IRS just called us." Whatever it is, I know it can be one of the most scariest things to happen to you from the IRS. Whatever it is, what I want to tell you, don't worry, don't fret. What you want to do is pick up the phone, give me a call. My number is 678-457-9493. Again, 678-457-9493. I'm going to leave all the information down below depending on where you see this. If you see it on Instagram, just inbox me. You see it on Facebook, send me a message. Hey, you see it on YouTube, guys, you know exactly how to get in touch with me. And if wherever else you see it, just give me a call, 678-457-9493. Give me a call. Or go to my website that's going to be down here, tiffisllc.com. That's TIFFISLLC.com. Fill out the contact us form. Let us know what's going on. Let an ex-IRS auditor with over 20 years, I said 20 years, tax and financial experience. I've helped hundreds and hundreds of clients. I almost want to push it to 1,000 because I helped a lot of people to settle tax debt, help them to get out of debt, help them to fix their credit, help them to get their finances together. This is what yours truly have done. So don't sit over there and try to fix it yourself. Stop hiding the letters. Stop crying about it. Stop living in fear. I know it can be very fearful, but you don't have to do this alone. Contact Jean Marlo Davis, and I'll be here to help you. Again, I am Jean Marlo Davis. I am a wealth creator. I'm an IRS auditor, tax and financial strategist, and I am here for you. Guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And follow me so you can get your questions answered, and give me a call so I can go ahead and settle the debt for you. Take care. I'll see you soon.